Hello students, how are you? Hopefully you are doing well. Welcome to UK Chemistry Academy. As you know that we are solving the past paper of chemistry. Our today's MCQs is about organic chemistry. Now let's come to the statement. That is, methane is the first member of the alkane series of hydrocarbons. Alkanes are actually the organic compound which consists of only carbon and hydrogen. The second member is ethane. Which statement about ethane are correct? First of all, you must remember that these points. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Here n is the number 1, 2, 3, simple integers. So the word meth in the methane showing that it consists of only one carbon atom. So put the value of n in this formula. So the molecular formula of methane will comes out to be CH4. Okay. The word eth in the ethane showing that it consists of two carbon. So put the value of n in this formula. The molecular formula of ethane will comes out to be C2H6. Okay. The AN in methane or ethane represent that this compound consists of carbon-carbon single bond, and E represent that this compound is the hydrocarbon, which means that it consists of only carbon and hydrogen. Now continue the statement. There are four statements are given here. The first statement is that ethane has the formula C2H4. No, it is not a correct statement. Ethane has the molecular formula of C2H6. Okay. The second statement is that ethane has higher boiling point than that of methane. Yes, it will be the correct statement because ethane has more number of atoms, has higher molecular mass, so it will definitely high intermolecular forces. So it will have the high boiling point than that of methane. The third statement, ethane has the same molecular formula as methane. No, it is not the correct option. It is not the correct statement. While the molecular formula of methane is CH4, the molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. So both of them has different molecular formula. So it is also the incorrect statement. The fourth statement is that ethane has chemical properties very similar to those of methane. Yes, because methane and ethane both compound consist of carbon-carbon single bond, so they have very much similar chemical properties due to the single bond. So it is the correct statement. So only 2 and 4 statement are correct about ethane. So the correct option will be the Charlie option. Hopefully you get it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.